If you need an installation certificate for the legalization of your vacation rental home in Lanzarote, watch this video so that you have all the necessary information. Contact us through WhatsApp, send us a photograph of the electrical panel if possible, and the location of the house. We will organize a visit to your home so that our technician can check the installation. We will check the electrical panel to know if the protections are correct and if the number of lines in the house corresponds to that required by the regulation. The cable of the main connection must be of the appropriate dimension to the power and the required insulation. The review of the grounding is essential for the safety of the people who use the house. It must have a value of less than 37 ohms. After the visit, we will give you the following documents: a detailed report, a precise budget, so that you have all the information at hand. Do not hesitate to contact us to schedule the visit. We are waiting.